Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Doorbell V2 step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Wyze Doorbell V2 and ensuring all components are included. Next, download the Wyze app from your device's app store. Open the Wyze app and create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Doorbell from the list of devices. Follow the prompts to ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Connect your Wyze Doorbell to Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password. Once connected, press and hold the setup button on the back of the doorbell until you hear a voice prompt. Position the doorbell where you want to install it, ensuring it's at least 4 feet above the ground. Using the included mounting bracket, mark the screw holes on your wall. Drill holes in the marked spots and insert the provided anchors. Now, attach the mounting bracket to the wall with screws. Next, connect the wiring if you are using existing doorbell wiring. If not, you can use the internal battery by ensuring the battery is charged and inserted correctly. Slide the doorbell onto the mounting bracket until it clicks into place. Test the doorbell by pressing it and checking if it connects with the Wyze app. To finalize setup, adjust your notification preferences in the app for alerts. Position your camera view as desired through the app settings. You have now successfully set up your Wyze Doorbell V2. Enjoy enhanced security and convenience at your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.